Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 3 GT and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down a little bit and find build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen lock, simply enter to confirm the whole step. And now we are a developer. So let's go back to the general list of the settings and tap on the system. Here, let's open developer options. And as you can see, right here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. Basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you've got an option with a switcher, simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Moreover, you can, if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the very top of the list, and most of the options will be inactive, not all of them, but most of them, and the developer options should disappear from the system settings. And as you can see, after getting back, they are not visible, but of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.